Imagine a stack of light, fluffy pancakes, golden brown, with a delicate sweetness that melts in your mouth. A trickle of sticky, amber maple syrup cascades down the tower of pancakes, glistening in the morning sunlight. A dusting of powdered sugar crowns the top, and a pat of creamy, melting butter completes the masterpiece. This, dear friends, is the epitome of a perfect breakfast, and the recipe is simpler than you might think. To start, gather these ingredients: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs, 1.5 cups of milk, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Firstly, combine the dry ingredients in a large bowl. That's your flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Give it a good whisk to ensure everything's evenly distributed. Next, crack open the eggs into a separate bowl, add the milk and the melted butter. Whisk these together until they're well combined. Now it's time to marry the dry and wet ingredients. Pour the liquid mixture into the bowl with the dry ingredients. Stir gently just until the flour is incorporated. Remember, the key to fluffy pancakes is not over-mixing the batter. It's perfectly okay to have a few lumps. Heat a non-stick frying pan over medium heat. Once it's hot, ladle about 1/4 cup of the batter onto the pan. Watch for bubbles to form on the surface. When they start to burst, that's your cue to flip the pancake. Cook it for another minute or so until it's golden brown on both sides. Repeat this process until all the batter is used up. Stack your pancakes high, drench them in your favorite syrup, and finish with a pat of butter or a dusting of powdered sugar. To summarize, the secret to making these perfect fluffy pancakes lies in 3 simple tips. 1. Whisk your dry and wet ingredients in separate bowls before combining them. This ensures an even distribution of the leavening agent, which contributes to the fluffiness of the pancakes. 2. Avoid overmixing the batter. A few lumps are perfectly fine and will result in a lighter pancake. 1. Keep an eye out for bubbles on the surface of the pancake. This is the sign that it's time to flip it. With these tips in mind, you're well on your way to creating a stack of pancakes that's not only visually stunning, but also incredibly delicious. So go ahead, bring a little sunshine to your mornings with these simple yet irresistible fluffy pancakes.